Engine knock is a common, but worrying sound that many drivers experience. It often sounds like a pinging or tapping noise coming from the engine. Here are some simple ways to find and fix engine knock using clear and easy-to-understand steps. Low-octane fuel can cause engine knock in some cars. Try switching to a high-octane or premium gasoline recommended by your car's manufacturer. It burns more smoothly and prevents knocking. Modern engines have a knock sensor that detects vibrations caused by knocking. If the sensor is faulty, the engine may not adjust the timing correctly. You should test the sensor to make sure it's working properly. Clogged or dirty fuel injectors can cause uneven fuel delivery, leading to knocking. Use a fuel injector cleaner, or have them professionally cleaned. Fuel system cleaners or octane boosters can help clean carbon buildup and increase fuel quality, reducing knock and improving engine performance. Carbon buildup in the combustion chamber can raise compression and cause knock. Use a decarbonizing cleaner or seafoam treatment to remove deposits. Too much or uneven compression can cause knock. Perform a compression test on all cylinders. If one cylinder has higher compression, it may have a carbon buildup or valve problem. If the timing belt or chain is worn or has jumped a tooth, it can throw off timing and cause knock. Have a mechanic check and replace if needed. Overheating can cause engine knock. Check the coolant level and ensure the cooling system is working properly to maintain a normal engine temperature. Driving in high gear at low speeds can stress the engine. Downshift when needed and avoid putting too much load on the engine. A vacuum leak can cause a lean mixture, leading to knock. Listen for hissing noises around hoses and use carb cleaner spray to detect leaks. A clogged positive crankcase ventilation valve can increase pressure in the engine and affect combustion. Replace it if it's clogged or dirty. Old or dirty oil can't lubricate well, which leads to more heat and possible knocking. Change the oil regularly using the type recommended in your owner's manual. Worn-out crankshaft or connecting rod bearings can cause deep knocking sounds, especially during acceleration. If the knock gets louder with engine speed, internal wear might be the problem and may need professional inspection. The exhaust gas recirculation valve helps control combustion temperatures. If it's stuck closed, temperatures may rise and cause knocking. Cleaning or replacing the EGR valve can fix the problem. Preventing knock early helps your engine last longer, improves fuel economy, and avoids costly repairs in the future.